Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking Homestead, and today is a quick international mail call. So I wanted to share it here in a timely fashion because one is actually Easter greetings, and tomorrow is Easter. I can't believe it's already here. We're also in the Passover season. If you haven't caught my series of vids this week and Easter collaboration with Teresa's Stay-at-Home Life, please do. We each did some dishes for the Easter holiday, and I also did a series for Passover. But we'll get to this mail call. So the first one here, they're both international. The first one is from Canada, and it's from our good friend, I think most of you know him, Darren Sharon. And Darren has new stickers and new card, and I'm kind of far away, but I'm going to show them here. And we're going to add Darren to the cookie sheet. Darren has a homestead in Canada. Okay, Darren is going to go next to Big Dog Leather. So there's Darren Sharon. If you guys don't know Darren, Darren's a pretty talented guy. He had a art print and framing business and did some really beautiful work with prints and stuff, and started a couple years ago on doing his own house and homestead, and moved out there this past year. He has done the work on the house pretty much all himself and with his daughter's help. He's self-taught. He's pretty much off-grid. He's got chickens now and doing that. He wants to expand to pigs and stuff later. It's been fascinating watching him. He's such a talented guy, and really engaging. So give Darren a look, and I'm going to include the link to his channel down below. But it's been a lot of fun watching his homesteading adventures, because it's really what he's doing, the Canadian homestead. And like I said, some of the house projects and stuff that he's done, I can't believe the stuff that he's done on his own, self-taught. It's amazing. Okay, so that was the first one. The second one is a first for me. It was really pretty. It has a pretty chicken sticker on the back, and it is from the Netherlands. And I can honestly say I've gotten mail from numerous countries in the past. I've never gotten anything from the Netherlands, so this is a first. And this lady actually sent me the most lovely homemade Easter card, and it's scrapbook style. And she says, "Hello Helga, this is an Easter card for you at the city where you stay. I live at Den Haag. This is a residence of Netherlands. I saw your video in P.O. box and decided to send you a card. It's for Easter. My name is E Driver. I'm mother of 3. I do social work. Officially, I'm a flower arranger. I didn't travel to the USA yet. Be inspired. E Driver." I thought this was fabulous, and she sent me some other stuff too. So this is the beautiful card, and she did all this scrapbooking stuff. I mean, the inside is so pretty. You know, a lot of detail to this, and stickers and recipes. I had a lot. Oh, and this is more stickers. Oh, I love mail, so this was great. This is a Easter egg picture, but, well, yeah, on the back is actually recipes. So that works. And she sent me this as well. It was very interesting. It was kind of interesting to see a glimpse of her life too. So that's my international mail call. I like this card so much, I think I'm just going to find a way and just stick it on my sheet like that. As you can see, I've got my Easter flowers going here, and got some tulips and mini daffodils, and these are the flowered frilly daffodils, and hyacinth, and of course the sheets continue to grow with the sticker collection. You know, Papa Texas, New Level Auto, Great Adventures Outdoors, Texas Viking, and The Far Side of the Rails. Red Gone to Gray, Monster Sasquatch, One Auto, Wyatt One Able, Charlie, Badgertronics' son, Drive Shaft Drew, Ghostma, Adventures with Bash, The Wild Yam, South Main Auto, Midwest Moto Rider, Farm Boy, 30117, MBYR 31, Matt's Channel, Calvin Corner 72, Calvin Corner 72, Little Doggy, One Wild Camaro SS, Steve Robb, my other half, the disgruntled mechanic, Badgertronics, Charlie's dad, the Plow Guys, WKZZR Productions, Chaos Garage, Bobcat Guy, Channel 33 with Spongy, Tom's Busted Knuckle Garage, Calvin Corner 72's new sticker, Vognitz, vlogs, yep, Hiking with Sean, the YouTube Garage Gang, You Dizzy, Cap 7, and Weekend Review, and Kalen Strain, Pumpy E, Big Dog Leather, 805 Road King, and of course now Darren Sharon. So, those are the sticker boards. I'm also going to include links for a shout out of a couple other people. My friend Dark Matter, Byroot 00, Booger US 500, Pavey Project, Ron's Hobbies, Alice the Gmaw, DIY Misfit Mechanic, Tess Cooks for You, 1023 Curly Q, Ozstar, 12 Gauge Tommy, Happy Trails Hiking, Teasers Pleasers, Cooking with Rick, Big Gauze, Plum Bob, Ellen's Homemade Delights, Native Tears, and Angie's Pantry. Those are just some shout outs today of people that I think have worthy channels. There's plenty more. My God, there's so many good channels on YouTube anymore. I can't get around to all of them like I would like. I wish I could. But I try and catch up and go through and hit who I can when I can and have a little bit of downtime, which isn't much. Spring's almost here, sort of. It's sunshiny today. We're calling for snow Sunday night, but at least it won't last long now. And this week I'm going to get my seedlings started. Last frost here doesn't happen until like mid-May to end of May. So I'm starting them now because that's about the right time for when I want to transplant them. So I might do a vid here next week of getting those around, and I think I'm going to start doing a series on homemade mixes, like baking mixes and mayonnaise and Miracle Whip and all that stuff. You can make homemade, you don't have to buy it, and it's actually pretty good. It's actually really good. And then you can make exactly how much you need for a time or individualize it with your own flavors. So that's what's happening. That was my international mail call, and I hope this finds you well this Easter. I hope you have a blessed holiday. Happy Easter. For those that keep the faith, happy Resurrection Sunday. Happy Passover.